Tesla's liquidating Model S and X inventory by the end of the month. Maybe a refresh is finally coming. That would be cool. It's been a long time coming. They were supposed to refresh these vehicles a long time ago in 2019. And they never got around to it because they got all caught up with Model 3 and Y. And it was probably a better idea, honestly, for them. They had the limited bandwidth, and those were going to be the popular models anyways. But it's weird when your cheaper vehicle feels like your better vehicle.
Yeah,
which
especially the interior.
Yeah, which I said to you previously. They have these really premium price tags for the Model S and Y. You can spec a performance version to like 150 grand.
Right.
And
still has chrome trim.
Yeah, exactly. It has the dated chrome trim on the outside, which I know we're nitpicky, but it just feels like they could do just a couple updates. They don't have to update the interior, change a few style components on the outside. Don't rework the whole thing. Not necessary.
Let you customize a little bit more.
That would be great. And but apparently they want to rework the interior and do a more of a landscape style display, because they have the vertical display currently.
Right.
Which mixed opinions on that. The Model 3 did the landscape display, and it just feels a little more functional. It's a little more reachable. I don't know. Keep in mind, I haven't spent all that much time in the Model S. I did have the Model 3 around here for a day or two as well. But I mean, they're different implementations, but it sounds like they're going to go towards making the Model S and X fit the lineup a little better.
Yes.
And also improve the luxury aspect of the interior. It seems to be another target for them. So anyway, that's the thinking here, is that the reason that they're liquidating the remaining stuff is to make way for some new version that's on the horizon. Back in 2018, the rumors had started about a significant interior design refresh for S and X that never happened. It was delayed. So it's about time. It has to happen at some point. And the other interesting one, they were working on the Plaid Model S to compete with the Taycan. So maybe that one gets thrown into the mix as a build option. That would be fun if that one gets some love as well.